What's up guys, in today's video I will be explaining why Cnfans is currently the best agent and how you can buy off of Cnfans, so let's get straight into it.
What's he getting? What's he getting? This is the big question. What's he getting?
That tastes like promotion!
So the first thing you want to do is go to my link tree, which will be linked in the description, or you can DM me on Discord. It's spelled like this, one Tommy. From there you can sign up using my link right here. When you've signed up, you get $129 in coupons, which is very nice considering you get $129 for doing nothing. After that you will want to go to the spreadsheets, which will also be linked in my link tree, and you look for an item you like. As you can see, on PandaBuy the exchange rate is higher, so you save money with Cnfans. I already bought a few items and I will show off the quality and do an unboxing in the next video when they arrive.
One eternity later.
When your product arrives in the warehouse, you get pictures of them to show you what it looks like, and if there are any problems you can return them within 6 days.
Here I come. Oh.
As you can see, I already got my QC in for the shirt, so I will inspect the pictures to see if there is anything wrong with the shirt. When you have all items in your warehouse, you can click submit to send your haul out to your country. Now you just have to fill in your address. After doing that, you can remove the packaging to make your haul weigh less. You can also add corner and carton reinforcements since your haul will get beat up on the way to you. The only thing you have to do now is declare for customs not to seize you. Now don't worry, you don't have to pay what you declare. This is just you saying what you paid for the items in your haul. I live in Europe, so I just suggest anywhere between $4 to $20 is fine. Please don't go too high or you will get seized. For shipping, Cnfans is way cheaper. If I wanted to ship 3.5 kilos to the UK, I would save a significant amount of money with the same shipping line.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
That was it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something and you will start using Cnfans. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.